Have you ever wondered why some information seems locked away out of everyone's reach? Things that could revolutionize your health, bring relief in just days, seem to be hidden like precious secrets. The truth is, the reason behind this is clear: money. The machine behind the pharmaceutical industry is so powerful that certain solutions never reach the public. Today, however, I'm going to tell you something they don't want you to know. A secret so impactful that it could transform your health in just 48 hours. And the most surprising part? This secret might be within your reach, hidden right inside your own kitchen. But before we dive deeper into this mystery, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, because here we reveal what the industry tries to hide from you. We're talking about a simple, yet incredibly powerful ingredient: coconut oil. That's right, the oil you might not even think twice about in your daily life. But why isn't this secret all over the headlines? It's simple, because the pharmaceutical industry would rather see you buying medications every month instead of healing naturally and permanently. Think about it. How much money have you spent on drugs that only suppress symptoms without ever addressing the root of the problem? Now imagine for a moment the possibility of reducing pain, relieving inflammation, improving digestion, and on top of that, strengthening your immune system. All of this with a natural oil you probably already have at home. Sounds too good to be true, right? But I assure you, it's real. And the most amazing part, there are scientific studies to prove it. Coconut oil is truly a gift from nature. Its antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties can fight infections, speed up metabolism, and provide benefits that expensive drugs would never offer. And the impact is almost immediate. In just a few days, you'll feel more energy, less pain, and a well-being that makes all the difference. The most surprising part? All this in just 48 hours. 2 days. Because coconut oil doesn't just treat the symptoms, it goes straight to the root, helping your body strengthen itself, fighting inflammation, and all those health problems that build up over time. So why haven't you heard about this before? Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, Dr. Bokeria, a highly respected doctor, made an impressive discovery about coconut oil and its transformative effects on health. He began recommending this oil to his patients, who quickly started to see notable improvements. But what happened next? He was discredited, labeled a charlatan by many colleagues in the medical field. And why? Not because he was wrong, but because his discovery posed a threat to a giant: the pharmaceutical industry. Imagine the impact of something as simple and accessible as coconut oil on the market for chronic disease and inflammation medications. It was a natural, effective, and cheap solution, but at the same time a direct threat to the profits of these companies. And what did they do? They silenced the truth. But you don't need to live in ignorance. Today you're about to discover how this incredible oil can transform your life, just as it has done for so many others. Now let's get to what really matters. How can you maximize the benefits of coconut oil? It's not enough just to have a bottle of it on your shelf. The real transformation comes with proper use. The most effective way to start is by taking a tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil every day, first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. This simple habit will kickstart your metabolism from the moment you wake up, helping your body function optimally from the get-go. Your gut will thank you, your immune system will become stronger, and perhaps the most surprising part, you'll feel your mind clearer and more focused. But coconut oil doesn't only work internally. You can also use it topically to treat inflammations, irritations, and even muscle and joint pain. The oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, bringing relief right from the first applications. Impressive, isn't it? Something so simple, yet so powerful. Maybe you're still thinking, does this really work? Let me tell you a real case. A person who had been suffering from joint pain for years, after trying everything, expensive medications, physical therapy, miracle creams, decided to give coconut oil a chance. And do you know what happened? In just a few days, the pain began to subside. In 1 week, they no longer needed medication to control the inflammation. And after a month of daily use, the pain had completely disappeared. All of this just by consistently using coconut oil. Now tell me, Do you still think it's worth believing that the only solution lies in pharmacies? Science supports this discovery, and it's not just me saying this. Several studies have already shown that coconut oil can work wonders for your body. It's capable of reducing inflammation, strengthening the immune system, and even aiding in weight loss. And there's more. It has powerful properties that help fight harmful viruses and bacteria, making your body more resistant to a range of diseases. Now comes the most interesting part. You can enhance these effects by combining coconut oil with other natural foods. Imagine this: coconut oil with turmeric, one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories out there, or with ginger, known for its antioxidant properties. Together, these ingredients create what we can call a natural super remedy that not only speeds up results, but does so without causing the dreaded side effects. Maybe now you're wondering, but where do I find this coconut oil you're talking about? And here's an important detail. Not just any coconut oil will provide you with all these benefits. It's essential that it be extra virgin, organic, and preferably cold-pressed. These characteristics ensure that all the natural and beneficial properties are preserved, allowing you to get the best possible results. Now think carefully. If you can start transforming your health today, why put it off until tomorrow? How many times have you delayed something that you knew could change your life? Coconut oil is within your reach, and the benefits are tangible and real. Perhaps this is the natural solution you've been looking for. But of course, it's always important to remember, nothing replaces the guidance of a healthcare professional. However, when it comes to prevention and daily care, incorporating coconut oil into your routine is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling your body lighter, your skin healthier, and best of all, without having to spend a fortune on medications. This is what a simple habit can offer you. While many continue to spend vast amounts of money on expensive and complex treatments, you now know a simple and effective secret to improving your health naturally. Coconut oil is a powerful tool, but it will only work if you decide to use it. Perhaps you've already been through countless frustrating attempts to improve your health without achieving the desired results. I fully understand how discouraging that can be, but today you have something different in your hands. A simple, accessible, and above all, effective solution. There's no more room for excuses. Coconut oil can start transforming your life in just 48 hours. Think carefully. Every day that passes without taking this step is another wasted day, where you could be reaping all these benefits. Time, after all, is one of the few resources we can't recover. And the question remains, what are you willing to do now to ensure better health tomorrow? The answer is right in front of you, within your reach. In the coming days, if you take this step, you'll begin to notice changes in your body. And when these changes start to happen, you'll ask yourself why you didn't do this sooner. You'll think about all the time and money you invested in temporary solutions when the secret was so close within your reach. Simple and incredibly effective. Coconut oil isn't just an oil, it's the opportunity to finally give your body what it truly needs to function at its full potential. If you've made it this far, it's because you care about your health and are determined to make a difference. And if this information was valuable to you, imagine how much it can impact others who haven't discovered this secret yet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue receiving content that can truly transform your life. Your support helps me keep bringing these essential insights to you. And of course, leave a like on the video because this signals to YouTube that more people deserve access to this content. Share it with your friends, family, and spread the message. Let's walk this path together toward a healthier and more fulfilling life.